Hey guys, how's it going and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you something I've been working on recently that I think will be the determining factor that's going to propel this channel forward, along with my other social medias as well, and I thought it'd be a good idea to sit down and share it with you because one, you might be interested in trying it out for yourself and growing your social media presence, or two, you're watching this video months from now and you want to see how far I've progressed using this social media growth strategy. Let's get into it. Alright, so as many of you know, back in October I made the decision to quit my full-time job as a microbiologist, and I decided to pick up a part-time job just so I could have more availability to create content online, with the goal of turning this into a career one day. One of the issues that I ran into early on was that with all this free time now available, I didn't know where to put my focus on, so a lot of the times I would find myself sitting at my desk for hours, not getting anything done because I didn't know what to put my focus on, I didn't know what to create. I didn't really have a plan of action at the time, but what really ended up helping me was taking the time to write down what sort of content I wanted to make on a weekly basis, and after I decided which sort of content I wanted to make, which platforms do I want to distribute that content towards. So let me show you what I ended up deciding what my weekly content output will be, and let's talk about which sort of content I'm going to be making and to which platforms I'm going to be posting that content in. Okay, so my goal is to make one YouTube video, 5 short form videos, 2 picture posts, and 2 streams per week. And just listening to that, you're probably thinking, Steven, that's a lot of content. How are you going to get all that done? And yes, I agree with you, that is a lot of content, but with this clever strategy I'm about to show you, you'll see that it's actually quite manageable using what I will refer to from now on as the content creation funnel. And instead of just explaining to you what the content creation funnel is, let me just show you a picture of a funnel and slap some stuff into it. So number one, let's start at the top of the funnel, and this is where we're going to slap in our Twitch streams and our YouTube videos. Let's call this section the long form content section. This is where most of your time and effort is going to go into because streaming does take hours at a time. I myself usually stream for at least a minimum of 4 hours every time I go live. And YouTube videos can take a long time too when you think about the recording process, the editing process, plus writing the script, making thumbnails, doing SEO, doing all that can easily take you more than 8 hours. But once you have your long form content done, that's when you can move over down to the middle of the funnel. And underneath the top, you have the middle of the funnel. And here I'm putting short form videos because in this category, you have YouTube Shorts, you have TikToks, you have Instagram Reels. And the reason you have short form videos here is because most of the time they're going to feed directly from your long form content. Meaning if something funny or amazing happens during your stream, turn that into a short video. Right? If you talk about something in your YouTube video that you want to add more detail or you want to approach from a different angle, turn that into a short video. The idea is that you have your main content at the top of the funnel, and as you go down, you're repurposing that content. So you don't have to think of 7 different ideas for your videos. Instead, you have one main idea, and from that idea, you branch out and create your short form content. And at the very bottom of the funnel is where I'm putting picture posts, meaning Instagram feed posts, YouTube community posts, which I do plan on making when I eventually meet the 1,000 subscriber requirement. And I'm putting Twitter here too, although Twitter isn't part of my growth strategy. I still go there to post nonsense, so if you want to follow me on Twitter, links down below. But something I find interesting about these picture posts is that you can get either really creative with them or you can get really personal with them and give your followers a sneak peek of what's going on inside your mind, or give them a different point of view, a different angle of what's going on during the creative process. There's a lot of possibilities to go here. You can just pick and decide which one you want to go with. All right, and there it is. There you have it. Everything laid out for you if you want to use it as well. My content strategy for 2021, the content creation funnel, and my weekly content creation plan. It's all there. I'll probably do like an update video a couple of months from now to see if the content strategy has been working. All right, but let me pull my numbers right now so I have something to compare it to when I make the update video in a couple of months from now. All right, so on YouTube, I currently have 172 subscribers. On Instagram, I have 260 followers. On Twitch, I have 1,015 followers. And on TikTok, I have 4,844 followers. I'm actually very excited to see how those numbers will grow in the future, but for now, my goal is to stay consistent, trust the process, and keep doing what I gotta do. Alright, and that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for making it this far. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It really does help discoverability of the channel, and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to catch me live on Twitch, I stream every Thursday and Sunday. Links are down in the description below. And again, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one, or I'll see you guys live.